All the paintwork was done, everything was done. I mean,
It's Captain Martin. Greg, Faye is your person looking after you and the lovely team in the cabin today. We're all closed up and ready to go, and you're standing about 3 or 4 minutes time from now. Of course, a nice short taxi here.
everybody has to wear it right now.
I'll just do that.
Yeah, you have to wear it.
Everybody attention cabin crew, close doors to automatic, cross-check and prepare for the manual safety demonstration.
In an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you.
I'm feeling shaken and stirred. Joanna. Right. Have you done prop work before?
Yeah.
You have? Okay.
Action. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now by our gorgeous cabin crew. Please locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. In an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Your crew will now point this out for you.
So you've done prop work before, I can see you have.
Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off, as they may tear the slide. Don't worry, you'll all still look absolutely fabulous without them. Is that strictly necessary?
Yeah, I mean, otherwise people won't know who you are. You're playing someone who's very interested in seat belts.
Seatbelts?
Yeah.
Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it's fastened and adjusted like this, and opened like this. Seatbelts must be worn when the seatbelt signs are illuminated, but for your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. How was that?
Yeah, it was amazing. I really felt the relationship between you and the seatbelt.
If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Masks like this will appear automatically. Stay in your seat, pull the mask towards you, place the mask over your mouth and nose like this and breathe normally. Adjusting the band to secure it. Please note the bag may not inflate. In all the washrooms, you may need to pull on the coloured streamer to release the mask. Please make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else, if you want to help anyone else.
What I need from you is a little bit of oomph.
More oomph.
More oomph.
Your life jacket is underneath your seat. If required, please remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head.
You're getting there, David. Come on, keep going.
Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side, like this. To inflate, pull the red toggle. The air in this jacket can be topped up by using this little mouthpiece. There's also a whistle and a light for attracting attention.
Don't stop now. Come on, come on.
And please do not inflate your life jacket until you've left the aircraft.
Too much. You spoiled it. Before takeoff, please ensure your seat is in the upright position with armrest down and your table is folded away. If seated by a window, please ensure the blind is open. See, there we go. That's more your level. Well done. Thank you, darling. Cappuccino, yeah? 4 sugars?
Actually, I've come to read for the audition.
The tea lady wants to audition.
I've got 3 BAFTAs, actually. Smoking is not permitted anywhere whilst on board, and this includes the washrooms, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Using e-cigarettes is not allowed either. Is that okay?
Please switch all devices to flight safe mode now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. When not in use, devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket. Before moving your seat, please make sure your devices are safely out of the way. If lost, please don't move your seat and let the cabin crew know. Will you just stop doing that?
In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, you will be told to adopt this protective brace position. Please study the safety card in your seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft, such as brace position and the location and operation of the doors. If you have any questions, please ask your cabin crew.
And now, the reason this is so close to our hearts.
Naomi, over to you.
You'll also find the Flying Start donation envelope in your seat area, and it would be wonderful if you've got any spare change in any currency, if you could find it, take it out, and put it in the envelope.
On behalf of British Airways, Comic Relief and Flying Start,
Thank you for your attention and your kind donations.
Every penny of which will help children all over the world living really tough lives.
If you have any questions, or you can't find your safety card, or if you've mislaid your magical Flying Start envelope,
Please ask one of your cabin crew members.
And have a good flight.
ladies and gentlemen. My name is Faye Harris and I'm your purser on board this flight to London Heathrow Terminal 5. I would like to add my personal welcome to you all and welcome back our Executive Club members and One World frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it's safe to leave your seat, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Myself, Julio, Daniel and Lewis will be starting our onboard service. If you're seated in our Club Europe cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary meal and drinks from the bar. In Eurotravel, we have a great selection of food and drinks available to buy. You can find details of today's Marks & Spencer's onboard menu in your seat pocket. You can pay by using either a credit or debit card, Apple Pay, and for our Executive Club members we also accept Avios. We do not accept cash as payment. To enable a smoother service, please do have your method of payment ready. Later in the flight, we will be opening our High Life shop. Please do take a look at the brochure available. If there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable, please do let us know by visiting the galley or using the call button. And we do hope you enjoy your flight with us today. Thank you.